Are you looking for a career that is practical, stable, and truly meaningful? Professional grooming offers all that and more. It's not just about working with animals, it's a skilled career for patient and responsible people willing to learn. As a professional groomer, your role includes bathing, drying, brushing, trimming, and styling pets. These tasks keep animals clean, comfortable, and healthy. You'll work with pets of all sizes and breeds, so no 2 days are ever the same. This career is hands-on and physically active. You'll be on your feet, safely lifting and handling animals. Expect to work in environments that can be wet, noisy, or messy. Grooming requires stamina, focus, and attention to detail, which makes it rewarding for many. The effort you put in brings real rewards. Seeing a clean, happy pet and a satisfied owner gives a strong sense of pride. Your work truly makes a difference in pets' lives and their owners' happiness. Professional groomers also build strong relationships with pet owners. Clear communication is key. You'll listen, explain grooming options, and offer advice. This helps build trust, repeat clients, and a great reputation over time. There are real career opportunities in grooming. With proper training, you can work in salons, veterinary clinics, mobile services, or start your own business. Demand for skilled groomers is growing as more people own pets and seek reliable professionals. At Concept Career Training Academy, we prepare students with hands-on training. Our programs focus on safety, professional standards, animal care, and workplace readiness. Graduates leave feeling confident to enter this rewarding industry. If you love animals, want practical skills, and seek a career with long-term potential, professional grooming could be the perfect fit. Your career starts with the right training. Start your journey with Concept Career Training Academy today.